we're catching up. Well, no, we're not catching up, but we're gonna work on solving the mystery and saving Santa in this exit advent calendar called the Silent Storm, where there are 24 exciting riddles that you have to solve so that you can find Santa and save Christmas.
Right. We're on day 7.
We're on day 7. And now today, the actual date is like the 16th, so we're a bit behind.
We got to catch up.
Today is Roscoe's birthday, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
And he's having a really good day. And, you know, he's had kind of an upset tummy. And he has been eating like a little king.
Yeah, he's feeling better.
He's feeling better. And he's been having a good birthday. He said for birthday, he just wants us to stay home with him today and hang out. And that's what we're doing. I'm in my lounge pants.
We're in our comfy clothes.
Yeah. So, John,
you ready for day 7?
You got your medicine handy?
Yeah, I got my medicine and my thinking juice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm drinking soda. It's my thinking juice.
All right, let's get this show on the road here.
Okay.
Okay, December 7th. Here we go. After the murky archive, you're hoping for a little more color and brightness in the next room. But it doesn't look like your wish will be fulfilled. Where are you now? You've never seen this room before. What could it be? A museum? A gallery? Large, heavy paintings hang on the walls. You are certainly not an art connoisseur, but if you're not mistaken, some seem to be of great value. Why does Santa Claus keep this cultural gem secret from his employees? As you head toward the main work of the small exhibition, the reason quickly becomes clear to you. Page 2. You recognize immediately that this is a family portrait of the Claus clan. It is well known that Santa fell out with his relatives a long time ago. Although it is only talked about behind closed doors, everyone here knows that Santa Claus came from a very difficult background.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I didn't either. I'm learning something new here. Stinginess, vanity, and aversion to games of any kind, basic Christmas denial. Oh, what a horrible life. Indeed, there hardly seems to be a family member who hasn't shown a nasty side. It is said that Santa Claus only has a good relationship with his Aunt Erna. Unsurprising, then, that he has this painting of his mean family hidden away in this secret gallery. Your gaze continues to roam the gloomy room, and you become a little more aware of some shapes. They stand together in a small group against the wall and stare at you. With a fast beating heart, you approach and realize with relief that they are not real. They are life-size mannequins. Was someone putting together a family exhibition here and then got interrupted by the earthquake? Wait a minute. You notice something and you look at the mannequins a little more closely. Yes, no doubt someone did a great job there. Sounds like that could be part of our clue.
I think so.
Now open door 7.
Okay, so I'm going to use this little phone here, get clips, and I'll be popping these up on the screen so you guys can follow along.
There's door 7. Ooh, we got all kinds of goodies in here.
There's door 7. We're going to
pull all this stuff out.
Okay.
There's door 7. Is there anything else in there? Looks like you got like numbers on the ceiling. Numbers. Wow, there's numbers all over the place in here.
7 standing straight and tall show the code you are looking for. If they're in the right position, they'll help you in your tricky mission. Code left, upright. Okay. Oh, is this his family? I think that's sad that Santa didn't have a perfect childhood like everybody else on the planet. I mean, everybody had a perfect childhood, right? Santa, I always thought he did have a perfect, I thought he actually was the only one that had a perfect childhood. Obviously, he is human after all.
That's right.
Okay, here we go.
Powers. Okay. So.
Now here's the mannequins. I guess these are family members, maybe?
Yeah, it is.
He had a good relationship with his...
Well, that's what they said
with his aunt. So this must be the aunt he had a good relationship with.
Yeah.
So let's put her off here with the cats and dogs because they probably are all
Well,
together.
it says
Everybody
it
loves their
said that
cats
Santa
and
Claus
dogs.
only has a good relationship with his Aunt Erna.
Yeah, so we're going to put Aunt Erna.
How do you know which one's Aunt Erna?
Well, I'm guessing she looks like an aunt. Not my aunts. I mean, they look like supermodels, seriously, but that looks like...
Yeah, she's...
Okay, so there we go.
Okay.
There we are.
So, I mean, we have this picture here, so...
Okay, let's...
So it looks like that's the same people in this. So.
And this is on the... Oh, what do you call it?
That's on the story book.
Yeah, the story. This is the story page that you get for the day, and that's the people. And that's the rest of the story, but there's no other clues. Okay.
So I wonder...
behind you find 2 riddle cards and strange items. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we found the 2 riddle cards and the strange items, which are the mannequins.
Right.
Okay.
So, and then according to this, it says 7 standing straight and tall. Show the code you're looking for.
Okay, so they show the code.
If they're in the right position, they'll help you in your tricky mission.
I bet you I know.
What?
So what is it, up? What does it say, up? Right?
Left, up, right.
Okay, so left.
Oh, yeah.
Up.
Yeah.
That's left. Oh, that's right. That's left, up, right. So what about this one? But what about these extra characters?
Well,
We don't.
I don't know.
Where's that other picture? You said there was
Well, here's this picture. So maybe it has to do with an order.
left, up, right.
But how do you know what order?
Maybe you put these in the same picture, let's say. The cat's behind them all. So
Okay, the cat's behind them. The dog's in the front. Why don't we put them so that they're the way it shows in the picture?
she's out in front of all of them.
It determines what row.
Let me get in here.
See, because if you look at the floor, look.
I think we have our numbers. I think we have 1, 0, and 1, 0, and 4. Okay, I'm gonna try it, and then we can put the rest of these in because if we're on the right, if we're not on the right
We might
track.
be close.
So we had, what did I say, 104?
Mm-hmm.
So now we just get our little code detector, our little thing here.
How did you get?
I don't know. I'm just guessing. 104. Flip it over. So we have, let's see, this way, this way, this way, and I'm wrong. Nope.
No, I think
Okay.
he's in the second position, so I think it's 204. Try 204.
Oh,
I think you're on the right track
okay.
because he's in the
2,
second position.
04. So then that would be do this down to the right, this way, and that way. So then we'd have star. That's it. We got it.
Yay.
Yay. So this is number 8.
Yay.
Okay, this is a pain in the butt. Oh, we're done with this, thankfully. We put the cards back in, even though I know at some point we're going to need to pull out all the employee cards, I'm sure of it. Because in every little room, because each door represents a room in the workshop, and Santa is behind one of these doors. I think you have to go through each clue behind each door, and he'll be behind the last door. And then you get a clue that gives you directions to the next door, and then the next day you open the next door. And I don't even feel like this makes any sense. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain. But this is where we're at today. So we have, we were here at room 7, then the codes pointed to over here. We followed the arrows in today's clue to this door, and this is where we'll begin next.
Mm-hmm.
Door number 8.
Mm-hmm.
And we only have to go to 24.
Yep.
Ugh,
Still got some catching up to do.
we have a lot of catching up to do. Well, that's today's video, John.
Yay.
Any final words?
My brain is shot.
Now, if we're going to talk to next year's selves, our future selves,
Hmm.
are we going to recommend that we buy this next year?
We need something easy,
We
Like-
need like a beginner.
like a cheese tasting.
Remind us next year when I do. Remind me not to do something so hard. I don't know why we
We
feel
just
like
challenges.
you like challenges.
Hmm. Like puzzles.
Yeah, and so do the kids. They all like
Mhm.
challenges,
Mhm.
and they are my challenge. All right. Well, anyway, it is fun. I do recommend it. The kids are having fun with it. We have a little group chat that we have on our messenger thing, and we chat back and forth. Hey, I just saw number 5. And our kids are ahead of us, of course, and they sit down and they do 3 or 4 of these at a time to go around their work schedules. John and I are trying to do one a day, but we've gotten behind, so we're going to have to.
We've been lapsed.
So hopefully next time we do this video, we're going to have 3 or 4 of these done, and we'll be further down, and we'll keep you posted.
Yeah,
But I didn't realize Santa had a childhood like that.
I didn't either.
Anybody, if you've heard that, let me know. I am at my age, you'd think I would know a little more about this Santa Claus. I
Mhm.
didn't realize
Hmm.
he had,
Very
yeah.
interesting.
Didn't know that.
Hmm.
But apparently he does have this aunt that he gets along with.
He's got a checkered past.
Yes, he does.
With family.
Or his family. Don't we all, though? All right. That's it for the day. We're going to, I don't know if we're going to try another one later today, or we're just going to call it good until tomorrow.
We'll see.
We'll see. What are we doing for dinner?
That's your thing to figure out.
That's not my thing. You're
Yeah,
retired
I
now.
cooked last night.
What did you cook last night, dear?
Well, the turkey that I cooked earlier,
That we cooked, you mean?
well, I put it in the oven and I put it in the bag.
You did.
I chopped it,
And
cut
who,
it up.
And who peeled all those potatoes? Yeah, I did.
Okay. It was a group
It
effort.
was a team effort.
So maybe we'll have to do something simple tonight.
Yeah, we still need to make more turkey soup.
Ooh,
Yeah, and I shared that we're doing our Mexican food for
Oh, okay. For
Yeah.
Christmas. Okay.
yeah. And this next week we are going to go out to a local farm bakery. That they actually are a farm, and they have this bakery where they cook a lot of really
Mhm.
great baked goods right there.
Yeah.
It's an Italian bakery. They have a lot of Italian type of baked
Mhm.
goods,
Cookies,
but
petitas.
all that. So we will be picking up like a petizza and different things for Christmas. But they also have Mexican food,
Yeah, they have tamales.
and they have really good green chili.
Mhm.
And so we're picking that up. And then I'll make some beef enchiladas and some chicken enchiladas
Mhm.
for Christmas. And I'll just be making some extra pans to put aside to give to the kids to take home after our dinner. So, yeah. Anyway, so we're going to be doing some cooking soon.
Sounds good.
So I'm happy with eating leftovers. All right, that's going to be it. Hope you guys are doing well. Take good care and
Salute.
salute. We'll see you next time.